Hello friends, Namaste, welcome back to my channel. Let's make it lovely. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and click on the bell icon for notifications. Today I'm going to show a simple yet elegant festive backdrop using mats. I will leave link to these mats and stand in the description box below. But if you have mats without these ties, just add couple of strands of jute or woolen thread through the mat using a needle and you can tie them easily. Next, I'm using some tape to secure these mats to stand without moving. Using some woolen thread, I'm tying my garlands to the stand. Next, I added lily hangings to red garland using small safety pins, as it is easier to take them off and reuse later. I also added a mango leaf toran for a traditional touch. It also gives a nice contrast look. And I secured the top white garland with some more woolen thread. And that's it. A simple yet beautiful traditional backdrop is ready. It is perfect for coming up Varalakshmi Vratam or any puja at home. I actually did this for my baby's Annaprasana last year. Hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, share and comment. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.